Hi you guys, I am back with another makeup tutorial video, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how I complete this look for her engagement photos on today. So of course I did the skin prep off camera. You need to start with clean and moisturized skin. You must use primer before you start applying makeup on her skin, and you must be aware of skin types when you are doing this. So everyone has different skin types, from oily, dry, combo skin, or acne prone skin. Do you prep your skin or do you go straight into your makeup? Now here I haven't included that, but I will do videos giving you more details on how to prep your client's skin before you get started. But here she is prepped, and we've already started shaping and mapping out her eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil here. As you can see, I'm going in and making sure everything is even and there are no spaces within her brows. And now I'm going to go in and fill everything in and, define those brows with my concealer here. I use L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. It is very, very good, you guys. And here I am just finishing up mapping out those brows. You want to be sure you have a flat and angled brush to complete the shaping of her brows with your concealer. Now, I usually use a more neutral concealer for the top when I am doing the brows, but today I did this color, and I'm not sure why I did it, but I was able to go back in and correct it and blend that concealer out so it wouldn't be too refined and defined on her face. Now going in, I'm going to blend this concealer out so that it can be smooth and even when I go back in and apply the foundation. And you also want to make sure it's smooth and even here before you apply your eyeshadow look. So I am going to blend that out here, as you can see. Now let's go to the eyes. I always do the eyes first before I apply any foundation on my client's face. So here I am using P. Louise's eyeshadow base to go in and get that canvas ready for her eyeshadow look she selected on today. And also, you have to blend that out as well. You just can't throw it up there. So we have placed it on her eyelids, and now we are blending out that product to get a even and smooth base for the eyeshadow. And now I am taking my Juvia's Place Natural Palette to do her eye look. She is going with the theme of whites and like a cowboy themed. She is marrying a amazing Nigerian man, and they're showing a bit of their personality in this shoot. So she decided to wear a white dress with her cowboy boots because we are country girls, and she is going to get a soft and golden eyeshadow today to fit the look and not be too dramatic for this photo shoot. And I'm going in with that transition color here. As you can see, it is a light brown, and blending it out evenly on the upper level of her eyelid. And here I am adding on the color in her crease. A little bit of darker brown for a contrast, but not too dark because we're not going dark with this eyeshadow look at all. But I'm filling in that crease and making sure that color shows when I create her cut crease for this look. So yeah, going in on both sides and making sure I fill in with that dark brown color here and blending it in evenly to that transition color that I used before. And now I'm going back in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base and creating her cut crease for the final look for this eyeshadow. P. Louise is a great product and I use it on all of my clients. It helps that eyeshadow color pop. If it's already potent, you don't have a problem because this is going to lay it evenly and that color is going to show. But this P. Louise product is a staple in my makeup kit and I use it on every single client, you guys. And I also purchased some to use in my personal kit as well when I feel like doing a bold eyeshadow look. So I'm finishing up that left eye. And here I am adding the gold shade from the Juvia's Place palette. It is so beautiful, you guys. Well, no, I'm not adding the gold shade here. It's actually a neutral light brown color that I'm using in the crease here in the corner of her eye. And now I am adding a gold shimmery color out of the Juvia's Place Natural palette here. As you can see, it is a bold and beautiful eyeshadow and it has such a good shimmer. So I'm going to use this palette to create a blended look on her eyelid and it's going to be so beautiful, you guys. It turned out so pretty. So I'm filling that in here and making sure that it is blended into that first color in the corner of her eye. And I also pat it in as well to make sure that it's compact and it is filled in all of those spaces and that shimmer hits. Now I'm going in with a deeper, more bronze color of a shimmer eyeshadow within that natural palette to blend in with a brown on the end here. And I'm going to make sure that I blend these colors into each other on her eyes to create a gradient effect, which is so pretty on the eyes. These are blending techniques for beginners. Anyone can do this. It's all in the wrist and in the movement of your fingers. I am doing this lightly on the ends to fill her in and blend that eyeshadow. Are you more of a matte or shimmer-eyed person? What's one eyeshadow step you struggle with? If you're watching this video, comment below and I'll be sure to help you guys with more of my eyeshadow techniques. Do you know when to keep it simple or when to add drama? All of these things are really important when you're getting yourself ready for a photo shoot or any type of engagement when you wear your makeup, because your eyes and that full makeup look will bring that look together. And now I begin to go in with a light setting powder that has a warm tone. And I'm blending and setting all of her foundation on her face here. And I'm now going in and contouring and adding a little more warmth and shape to her face here. We were having a good conversation about life and love as we were doing her face today. And I'm going in with a little highlighter here to make that arch in her brows pop. And onto the lips here, I'm using a brown pencil from the beauty supply to fill that in. And I'm going to apply a soft pink to her lips to complete her natural glam look on today. I purchased these lip applicators from Amazon if anyone is interested. It comes in a pack of 180 to apply lipstick. And they're so convenient for my kit, you guys. I love them. Okay, as you can see here, I'm applying a little bit more to her lips. And we've added the gloss for that great shimmer look. She looks lovely. She looks beautiful, actually. I'm so pleased with how this look turned out, and so was my client. She was feeling herself, and it makes me feel good to know that they love the service that I gave them. So, if you like this video, come on and like the video. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me for more beauty-related content. It's 2026, and we're coming strong with the creative content. I am sharing everything I love, and my makeup artistry is an extension of me. And I love making women feel beautiful and embracing and enhancing their beauty. See you on the next video, you guys, and thank you so much for watching.